Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of some big shifts in both technology and banking. But first, the overnight dairy auction brought some bad news, with prices falling 3.5% overall and down 5.5% for the key whole milk powder product. That makes it 3 declines in a row and adds up to a total of 6.8% drop. Analysts will be reworking their payout forecasts, but one thing they won't be doing is raising them. We are now back to overall prices we had in April 2017. The one bright spot, however, is that the New Zealand dollar has fallen as well, meaning that the change in New Zealand dollars from the last auction is a tiny 0.3% gain in local currency. But that still leaves prices back to the same level as 2017 on that basis of New Zealand dollars. All in all, not a great auction result. In an interview with Bloomberg, Prime Minister Ardern basically acknowledged that with a small concession on her housing position, New Zealand will still sign up to the TPP, saying there are significant net benefits for New Zealand. And China has announced that it is holding its foreign currency reserves above $3 trillion with data for October published today. That revealed a tiny rise to $3.1 trillion, the 9th straight month of tiny rises. The clampdown on currency outflows is holding. Retail sales in the Eurozone rose 3.7% in the year to September, extending a strong run of growth. And the ECB has revealed that the relocation by London banks to within the Eurozone is becoming a bit of a rush for the exits. 50 London banks are working on plans, 20 have already applied for Eurozone banking licenses. In Phoenix, Arizona, self-driving car company Waymo, a unit of Google, has a full live test of its cars operating at level 4 autonomy, sharing public roads with human-driven cars and pedestrians, with no one at the wheel able to take over in case things don't go as planned. It is a major milestone, presaging a real revolution in car travel. Expect it to spread quickly. Early adopters will be Uber, taxi companies and rental car companies. It may even be an answer to New Zealand's problem with tourists unfamiliar with our right-hand drive system. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is down 1 basis point today, now down to 2.31%. The price of crude oil has slipped slightly today, now just under $57 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just under $63.50 a barrel. The price of gold is marginally higher after a sharp drop after we reported yesterday's level, but it's now at $1,272 an ounce. And the Bitcoin price is now down to $7,008. That's down 1.2% on the day. And the Kiwi dollar is little changed again today. We're now just under 69 US cents. On the cross rates, we're at 90.3 Aussie cents, and against the euro, 59.6 euro cents. That puts the TWI at 72.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.